Hi, this is Mr. Tramp Freak 1. I'm going to do a airsoft review on my Pulse R75. Here it is. Got the butt, sights, sling attachment right there. Grip guard, semi, full auto, and then we got over here, we got safety, full auto, grip, trigger guard. We got grip, the huge, like, 650 round mag. Not a mag, oh my gosh. We got drum mag. You open it up somehow like that, and then take the orange tip off it. I don't know why, but here's some place where you can put a flashlight, I think. Something like that. It is all plastic. It's not too good, but it's full automatic. The battery's 7.2V. And that was my Pulse R75. You can buy it at Dick's for $110. Comes with one drum mag. So this is a pretty good gun if you're just looking for an average automatic gun. So